Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a bonus video. I wasn't planning to throw this video today. I had another video that I wanted to post during weekend, but having this opportunity that the product is still available, I said why not? Let's go and jump and show you what I received. I thought this will make an amazing Valentine gift for anyone in your life, including from you to you if you want. So this edit box retails for £40 and has a value of almost 3 times because it is the value is £120 almost. And I have just checked now, Cult Beauty has an offer. If you spend £70 British pounds on the website, you do get back £15 as a gift card. So I think this is a great idea if you want to buy something else. Add this and another product and you are going to be credited back with £15 to spend on the website. This is not sponsored. I'm not working with Cult Beauty. I never worked. The only thing that I have from them, like everyone that registered to their website, is you get a referral link. So that one I have it in my description box. So if you are signing up through that, you are going to get £5 off your order. What is it exciting is that this box ships worldwide, so I'm very excited that I finally could get one of these because I do love perfumes, but yeah, for me to purchase some of the fragrances that are inside is almost impossible because they do not ship here or we don't have them here. So this is the sleeve, this is the box. Those are the products inside. So first of the perfumes is by Nest. I never had anything from Nest. This one by Nest is New York Lychee's Rose Eau de Parfum Deluxe Size 3 ml. This scent leaves an irresistible trail of floral and fruity notes, combining rose absolute and fresh lychee with the sparkling essence of pink champagne and a hint of raspberry. Now I'm not going to stay here and test all the perfumes because first of all I'm recovering from a flu, so my smell is partially damaged, and second of all I'm not such a skilled in describing perfumes. But I did not show you the bottle inside. Why I'm so rude? Oh, she's absolutely adorable. 3 ml. Do you have a roller ball? Oh, I love it. It's one type of scent that I am fond of. The next perfume, Eccentric Molecules, Molecule 01 plus Black Tea. I do not know for sure, but I think Eccentric Molecules, it's that type of, or they make that perfumes that mix with your body and create your unique scent. So I'm very, very excited about this. So this is Eau de Toilette and has 8.5 ml, drifting from light floral to musky thanks to woody warmth of ISO-E. This unique and complex fragrance is hard to resist. This smells absolutely amazing. Next perfume that we have is by Irish Leather. This is Eau de Parfum. Okay, I cannot find this one, but look at the packaging. I'm tempted to test it, especially because I do love leather, but yeah, I'm already overwhelmed by the beautifulness of the Eccentric Molecules. This is by VYRAO, the 6th Eau de Parfum 2 ml. Light and uplifting, this olfactive creation is infused with a multitude of sacred herbs, including angelic root, juniper berry, apple, fennel, and peppermint. Okay, everything sounds lovely, and this is our little guy. Love the green packaging. So for sure some of the perfumes I'm going to keep them for my upcoming vacations. Oh, I'm so excited about this. This is by Byredo. I never had, I think I tasted one in Sephora or so. Byredo Mojave Ghost Eau de Parfum. And this is capture the raw spirit of the wilderness, playing with chords of musky amber, powder violet, amber, and cedarwood. Next we have, I think this is the biggest one. This is by Frugatti Thirsty, a brand I never heard about, also 8 ml. This is a summer-loving perfume that marries the light breeziness of fruit and flowers with a heady heady accent of cedarwood and musk. A tropical paradise awaits. Okay, this is Frugazzi. I'm so tempted to try them, but I will test it a little bit later and I will pop a note here if I like it or not, because I do not love all fruity scents. I love some of them, but some of them are not. This is by Way, or Quay, but I think it's Way. Merlot's Place Eau de Parfum. This is only 1.5 ml. I have had a few samples from Way, and they do make absolutely beautiful perfumes. I'm not sure that if I had already this one, but this is with a bergamot, lychee, cedarwood and white musk. Oh, this is something that I'm very excited. This is the biggest size. This is 10 ml. This is by Joe Loves, and I do want to test this. Yes, I love it. I love it. It has different notes I do not recognize, but let's read right now. Joe Loves by Joe Loves, a fragrance perfume. Notes of refreshing grapefruits, bitter orange, lime and spearmint make this bewitched blend. Okay, so what I feel, the notes are definitely bitter orange and grapefruit. It's a type of freshy perfume. Maybe on Fragrantica they can tell more, but for sure I like it because I do not love fresh perfume, but this is not too fresh, so it's like the perfect blend between fresh and sweet, and I think it's appropriate for summer. We have two perfumes from Kayali, the Vanilla 28, which is a vanilla perfume. I'm not going to go through notes. Sadly, we only have 1.5 ml. I want to say that it's okay. I'm not going to purchase this one with my own money. I'm not a very vanilla type of person. I love some of the vanilla scents, but I do prefer other notes. I'm happy to have it as a sample. I'm definitely going to use it. Next we have the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato, also 1.5 ml eau de parfum, and this is lovely. This I tested on Sephora because it's quite a new perfume. Oh, so it's purple, like a lilac purple, and it smells lovely. So this is the Pistachio Yum Gelato 33 Eau de Parfum Intense deluxe size. A sweet lover's dream. This fragrance, it's a saccharine explosion of pistachio, whipped cream, roast hazelnut, fluffy marshmallow and cotton candy. So this is more a gourmand type of perfume, like the one vanilla, the one with the vanilla, but I like this more because it has inside pistachio. This is Sandalwood Temple Eau de Parfum by Sana Jardin, Paris. This is 5 ml. And it's a powerful perfume which unites sandalwood essence, cedarwood, atlas oil and Haitian vetiver oil with a heavy burst of Moroccan neroli and creamy vanilla for a spell-binding effect. The notes sound absolutely amazing. I cannot resist not to test it. This reminds me when I go to Sephora and I'm testing several perfumes, then when I got home I just cannot tell which one is which. Oh, this reminds me of another perfume, 5 ml. And the last perfume that we have is by Replica, and is the Maison Margiela. Also, I never tried anything from Replica, and this is the smallest quantity available, only 1.2 ml. This eau de toilette boasts notes of pear accord and ambrette seeds blended with Irish accord, rose petals and orange flower. I'm not going to waste this perfume testing it right now because I'm just surrounded of all those beautiful perfumes. So I think I have tried 3 or 4, and 2 of them I already knew what they smell like. I think I have done a great deal. Maybe I did not get a bigger size like 30 ml or 50 ml, but for a long run, if I want to purchase a perfume, now I have a good variety where I can try and see which I like and which I do not like. And for sure, I have a lot of perfumes to travel with. I usually travel with this type of samples that I get from Sephora when I purchase, but definitely this size, it's more useful to have, because when you pack for 2-3 weeks, you don't know exactly how many of these to pack, so you might run through all of them. But having one of these or 2 of these now to travel with. I think it's genial, and I have an upcoming vacation on March, so I'll have a definitely hard time to decide which one of these. But yeah, this is everything I wanted to show in today's video. Go, run, do not wait, and buy your fragrance edit from Cult Beauty, because this offer will not stay for long, and for sure now that they have just made the gift card available on the website, many people are going to purchase it together with other things. Maybe I'm also going to get another one just to have it as a present for someone when I'm going to gift things. Why not? I think it's an excellent idea. So yeah, Cult Beauty never disappoints. Still my favorite website to the day, not like the Elf Cosmetics, which I had an experience that I cannot wait to tell you about in one of my upcoming videos after I'm getting the order. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I want to wish you all a wonderful Valentine's Day, to be loved and to spend it with joy and love. Bye, you guys! Mwah.